All right, so today we are going to be doing an unboxing of some new headphones I recently purchased, the Beats Powerbeats Pro. I bought these because my previous headphones, the Jaybird X4s, I loved them. They were fine and definitely cheaper than these, but I'm pretty sure I messed them up by leaving them in a pair of jeans and washing those jeans. So got a little wet. And these are in the navy color, Powerbeats Pro. So see the little B embossed on the box. Very nice, very fancy, real fancy. And it's that right there. And I got the navy color honestly because I like the contrast with the dark color and the silver B or tan, whatever, platinum, whatever color you want to call that. Nice, very nice. The case itself is what charges them. Looks like there's a little magnetic thing right there. I'll pair these with my iPad in a minute. I think they're supposed to pair like easier with iOS devices rather than Bluetooth, or I'm sorry, rather than Android using Bluetooth. That's what we got here. And this is weird that the iPad itself doesn't charge with Lightning, but they use that for this connector instead of USB Type C. I don't understand that. Come on, Apple. These are some other tips to get a better fit. Looks here like got some pairing instructions for or how to use the headphones, and then pairing instructions for iOS and little droidy droid, both of which I have. What else we have here? Get the Beats app, stay up to date. A Beats sticker instead of an Apple sticker. Okay. And looks like some warranty information. So that's it. Powerbeats Pro. Simple packaging. So far, I do like the look. I'm happy to have a solution that is actually wireless, not just Bluetooth with a wire going behind my neck. But yeah, I'm excited to give these a shot and in my commute and in working out, and I'm move around a lot. So I'm excited to see how these work. That's it. Thanks for watching.